So why Doc Popcorn? Okay, this is for all folks out there that are thinking about a change in life and a reason to do something different. So we are an extremely simple concept. Basically, there is one piece of equipment that makes everything that you see in the store. We do 9 fantastic, all-natural flavors. So not only do we have a fantastically simple concept that is produced in just one piece of equipment, we are the only game in town for all-natural, better-for-you snacking in America today. Unbelievably simple, and you control the show here. This is your business, this is your life, right? There's no one to answer to, it's me. And by the way, I can run this store myself, okay? We have folks that do $2,000 days solo. So it's a pretty remarkable opportunity to take control of your life and run a business that is you. That's me. So I've got 3 of these stores, 8 other carts all throughout Colorado, and it's something that is manageable and something that is controllable, and that was very, very important to me as well. We've got this amazing team of one other person, usually, and that's what it takes to run a Doc Popcorn store. We've got about 3 years where malls are flexible for the first time in 10 years. Lease rates are being negotiated. Folks are aggressively wanting concepts like ours. You could actually move into an existing location like this used to be a cookie store. We moved in for almost nothing because it was all in existence and started Doc Popcorn. But the idea for Doc Popcorn is that we want to create value for our customers. This bag in a movie theater would probably be $7, but still people are in a mall. And so we take our large bag and we fill it up all the way, okay? Because creating value for folks, I mean, do you ever go into a diner and you get half a bowl of soup, you know how much that pisses you off? This is how we serve our popcorn, okay? Full, overflowing, and we make happy customers this way. See, look, they're already smiling, right? What do you think about that?
Thank you.
We want you to be empowered and in control, run your business the way you need to, and give you the tools to do that effectively and efficiently. So that's part of what Doc Popcorn Corporate's all about, is giving you the tools and you the control to run a business that is efficient, effective, simple, affordable. So I spent 2 years in my kitchen in New York City designing these flavors. This is our caramel kettle, all natural vanilla. Everything we do at Doc Popcorn is made all naturally with all natural ingredients, high-end vanillas, better spices than you'd find in your own spice cabinet. Here's our awesome cinnamon. It's absolutely fantastic, made with the finest cinnamon.